I've been playing around with the thumbnails for my YouTube videos for the past couple weeks, and I've wanted to bring that color into my website. Currently, I have a way of creating a primary color that is used for all of the links and buttons and styling throughout the page. So it's this blue at the moment, but you can see here if I go to my work page, I have a couple of different case studies where I set a primary color, and that can change all of the different links on the page. So I've wanted to bring that over into my screencast. You can see here I have a red background. So what I can actually do is go into that post here, and I have this primary color variable that I can set. And you can see it updates the logo I have and then the links on the page. Also it updates these links that I use for sharing. But you can see here my little tags that I use for the tags for the posts. They're currently still blue, and that's because I am just setting those to be color blue. And then I also have a secondary blue light color that is 25% opacity of the blue color I'm using. So this proved to be a little tricky because I want this to take on the red color as well. So what I did is kind of a little workaround. Since I don't want to have two separate colors defined on each of these posts, I want the background color to be just a derivative of the primary color that I'm using. But since my site uses CSS variables, I'm not able to create like an rgba value of this. So I kind of came up with a solution that I thought worked well and kept within the way I have things working. So let's convert this. I'm gonna comment out the background color, and we're actually gonna change the color of the pill text to be the color primary. So now you can see here we got the red text, and let's just comment out this hover as well. So I got the red text, and now we don't have the background. So what I did is actually add a position relative to the pill, and then I'm going to do a C pill, and then we're going to use an after element. That's just going to have an empty content. We're going to do position absolute. We'll do top 0, left 0, width 100%, height 100%. And then I'm just going to bring down the border radius from the C pill. And we can just do background color. We'll make that color primary as well. So when this reloads, let's see, reload. Okay, now we can see that our pill is the color red. So obviously this isn't good. We want to make this opacity 0.25. I think I actually, now that I'm looking at this, I might want to go a little bit lighter, 1.15. So now when this reloads, we can see we have our pill, and our background color is a derivative of the primary color, and we're just using an after element to make this work. So I thought this was kind of a clever way of doing that, because now we can go over to our screencast, and I did the tailwind color. So I just picked a color from the Tailwind website and made that the thumbnail background. So then I have on this page kind of a themed Tailwind screencast. And you can see here we have the background color that matches on these pills. Next thing that we can do is just add our hovers back in. So now when we reload this page, you can see here now we got that color back.